Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I want you to meet a new member to the family. Stay tuned. To meet the new addition to the family, GoPro Hero 8, brand new, just got it yesterday. Let's check it out. I think someone's a little jealous, they keep turning off. So yeah, GoPro Hero 3 Plus. Alrighty, so let's unbox it. Alright, how about we start recording this? Alrighty. Well, don't like your little brother, do you? Alright, so we're recording on the new GoPro 8. Hopefully it looks pretty good. Still trying to figure out some of the options on it. Well, I literally just turned it on. It's on 4K, I guess. It's 1080 60, so yeah, it's not tight, so hopefully we can get some freaking awesome pictures. So probably continue with this tonight. I'll get the skyline in and do an oil change and probably start sanding the roof as well. So stay tuned, guys. Alrighty guys, so GoPro 3 Plus has completely given up on me. Doesn't like that I've got a newer one, so it turns on, turns itself off. So in a couple of the videos coming up this week, you'll probably notice that it will go from the quality of the GoPro Hero 3 to the 8. Let's see if you can pick it. Some of them I've already filmed, some of them I haven't, so let's see if you can. Alright. Let's get the skyline in. Cool. Wow, so much better. Wow, the equipment makes a big difference, boys. I guess it's the same as working on the cars. If you got the right tools, makes the job easier. I just need to get like a slide, I reckon, for the camera, and you can get some good shots. Alright boys, so it will be a Skyline week this week. Last week it was Volkswagen, this week Skyline, next week we'll get stuck into the Forester. So we'll be getting into the intake, we're doing an oil change, and we're sanding and buffing the Skyline because it's still not finished, and maybe even some painting on the rear bar. I do have the other bar out there. I want to do the black on the diffuser part. So I have been running into the fridge. Have been staring at this rear bumper. You can see when it's out in the sun, there's like a big ring there where I've sanded it with body filled, and around here. It's really hard to see in here. I didn't really notice it until I was done and I was out. It's like, that looks horrible. But anyways, we'll be doing that this week. So all Skyline stuff this week. So we've got 4 videos on the V35. We'll move over to Forester. I've got the oil here in a Penrite. No, it's not Penrite, it's Castrol 10W30. I've got a Ryco filter. I do a new job where I am now. I get the oil for free, so why not? I've got 6 litres there. So I saved myself like 70 bucks. And I got my Ryco, which was $22. So I got stuck into it. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's Sunday morning now. If you realised, engine bay is looking a lot cleaner. Did give it a good wash a few days ago, because I was doing this video and doing the oil change. So what we need to do is jack the car up, and then I'll pull the plug and drain it. Then we'll get the filter on, or filter off, filter on, and refill it. Let's do it. Alrighty, so I've got a bit of junk still in here, so limited space. I don't believe I can jack it up from the front. I'm going to have to do it from both sides and get jack stands underneath and get the underbody tray off, and get a drain pan from over here and chuck it under. Okay, we've got it jacked up. It's on jack stands. I went to the lowest, should I say. I just don't want too much angle, so we get as much oil draining as possible. So now we need to get under the car. Okay, so we need to get this underbody tray off and get the drain plug out and filter off. Alright, let's get under there and get the 10mm off. There's not much room. Alright. Not much. There we go. Easy. Alright, so I've got drain plug there, I've got the filter up there. Drain filter. So we have a 14mm pan ready. I'm going to take the oil cap off the engine. Normally it just helps breathing. V35s like to drink the oil, so it's probably not going to be much in here. We'll let that drain and we'll come back. Hey guys! Hey! Watch out for the door! Wait, get out of it. Come on. Alrighty. About 3 hours later, because the missus had a bit of a sleep, so should be fully drained by now, which it looks like it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll put the drain plug back in. Just nip that up. We'll have a look at how much oil. And yes, I won't forget. Oh, wow. Not much oil at all. Yeah, let's put some oil in it. It's like 2 litres. Alright, get the filter. So it's the same. I was trying to get a K&M, but they didn't have them in stock. And I wanted this. So I was actually going to do this Friday night, but I didn't. Just going to get a bit of oil, some new oil, and slightly oil up the seal. I'm not going to fill this up. I would fill the Subaru one up because it does go on that way, but going on sideways it's just going to leak everywhere, so yeah. Alright, so just clean that up. Put the new filter on. Sweet. And let's put some oil in. Alright guys, so the VK35 with an oil change or filter change takes 5 quarts or 4.7 litres. I've got 6 litres here. We are good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just check if there's any leaks, which there shouldn't be. Looking good. Put the underbody tray back on, and we'll lower the car down. Test the dipstick, and add any if we need to. Alrighty, so the car is now down. Just going to check the oil level on this stupid dipstick. I'm sure there was still a bit of the old oil in there. Worst dipstick ever made, I reckon. Perfect. As you can tell, there's still some old, but it's like 2 mil off the top. Happy with that. So, put that back in. So, put it in this one. Because I need to get rid of the old oil. So there's no oil in this. Oh, it's so thick. May have went a little bit over. Yeah, recommended interval for changing oil. I don't know if I want to say that I've had 1.5 litres in there. Damn it. Alrighty guys, I'm going to leave this episode here. Thanks for watching. If you like this episode, hit the like button. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. Next episode, another episode on Skyline. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next episode. Bye.